stone to kill two birds.
All right.
You
Thank you,
understand?
sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
So now that I've registered my AWS account, I will now go to Google Cloud. Oh, please mute yourself, whoever you are, please. Oh my God.
15279. Okay, right.
Thank you. This is Google Cloud, right? If you look at the top now, you will see that because I'm currently logged into my Gmail account, my name is there. So get started for free. It will get me through the process of registering, but Google Cloud uses Gmail. Google Cloud uses Gmail. That's why if you had created Gmail, if you use Gmail to register your AWS account, you wouldn't need to create a Gmail account for Google. You can use, I believe you can use other email. I haven't really tried it. I've only used Gmail for Google Cloud because it's a single sign-on, right? Startup, I agree, continue. Then they want my phone number to validate that I'm a real person. That's why.
So, doctor, the same email you use for this, you can still use it for the Google Cloud too, right?
Yes, if it's Gmail.
Okay.
Dr. Lucky, when you pick business versus personal, what is the implication?
When you click what?
When you select either the type of plan, either business or personal, what is the implication?
Oh, there's no implication really. It's just for their record to know that you are a business using their service, and then they'll give you the colon to provide your business name. It's for their own data set to collect those data. There's no implication. They're all the same account.
Thank you, sir.
It's so that the IRS can come after you. That's why.
Really?
Okay, so doctor, I got a quick question.
Yes, sir.
I think I've created this Google account before for one of my other businesses. Can I still use the same, the same account that I've created for my other business for this one?
Well, I mean, it's up to you. This is for learning sake, right? It's for training and stuff. So it's up to you. If you want to use it, fine. But for me, I want to separate anything, my personal stuff, from all this training stuff. But if you want to use it, it's fine. There's no penalty in using it. It's just pretty much separation of duties, separation of your stuff from this.
I mean, I'm talking about on the Google now, using the Gmail.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
You can create a new Gmail that is tailored for the training, or you can use the existing one. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just document it down to note that this is the email that you use to register. For some reason, that stuff is not working.
Sorry, doctor, I want to ask a question. I don't know if you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So we'll have to create 4 AWS accounts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same procedure as you just did.
Yeah, yes. For AWS account in the different in a different environments, development, production, and shared services. So, for example, my dev test account is .devtest@gmail.com. So for some reason, I wait till the last minute to create my account. So in case someone doesn't understand, so this one will be .lucky.prod account at gmail.com. Then the shared services will be .shared services@gmail.com. Then AWS organization with AWS organization at gmail.com. Do you understand now?
Yes, I do.
Then this one you can use to so this one's like a shared services. You know what I mean? Like the concept of shared services. You use it to create one account, one stone to kill two birds. So the fifth account you now create will be Microsoft Azure. So it can be .loki dot dev test at hotmail or at outlook.com. Then you have all your cloud environments.
Please, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir. Hello. Hello, I can hear you. Someone's trying to say something. Hello, sir. Can everyone still hear me?
Yes.
I do.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Does this clear up any confusion?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Not at all, sir.
created my
Not at all.
AWS account with AOL.com.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's fine.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
There was an account we were supposed to use a GCP at the end. Is that still
No, that's fine. The GCP
okay.
is just an indication that this is a Google Cloud. This is for Google Cloud.
Oh,
That's
okay,
fine.
thank you.
So those documents we sent out doesn't really like break down the whole stuff because it's hard to explain in writing. Hopefully someone out of this group can help us come up with something better that will have clarity in case in the future we decide to do this.
I want to ask if we can use a
Sir?
Sir, can we use Gmail to create the Microsoft Azure?
No, sir. Use Hotmail so you can sync.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Lucky, I have a question, please. So
Yes,
what
please.
you're doing right now is not for AWS, it's for the Google Cloud.
Yes, I'm signing up for my Google Cloud account using the same email that I used to create my AWS account. I'm using the same email to create Google Cloud.
Okay, that means we also should go ahead and create, use the email too.
Yes, if you have Gmail, go ahead. Or if you don't have Gmail, create a Gmail and do your Google Cloud as I'm doing it
And
right
we also have to pay on Google Cloud.
No, you don't pay. They give you $300 credits, but they want your credit card just in case you use services that are not covered. They will charge you for the difference.
Sorry, $300 credit means that card should have up to $300 on it, right?
Nope. $300 credit is what they give you.
Okay.
You don't have to have $300 credit on it. Just have something like $1 plus.
All right, thank you.
Dr. Lucky.
Yes, sir.
What if I have 3 Gmail and 1 Hotmail?
It doesn't matter.
So yeah, because I was thinking I can use the Hotmail for the AWS and
perfect.
Sync.
No, you can use Hotmail for AWS and you use Hotmail for Azure.
For the
Microsoft Azure.
Exactly.
Then use the Gmails for one of the Gmails for your listing. But make sure you write it down so you don't get confused. Make sure you note everything you're doing, please. Don't, some of us are over 30 and plus. Your brain doesn't function like when you were 19 and you are married. You're dealing with all that family stuff. Ensure to document everything that we're doing here. Please document it. If you know someone in the group who is very good at documenting stuff, they've documented stuff, ask them for it. Make sure you have documentation. Everything I'm sharing with you here, you're going to see it in the interview, you're going to see it on the job. I'm not wasting your time telling stories. I'm not using it as my therapist. You know, this is real life. Make sure you document every process. Everything you're doing, document it. Osai, if you get up again, I'm going to find you. Osai with the heart. Let's laugh. You see why the video is good? You see what people are doing. Those who are not paying attention, you catch them.
Well, that's distraction now.
Check out of.
Are we creating
Mr. Kingsley, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Yes, sir.
Chika, yes, go ahead.
Are we creating individual account or business account?
Which one? For
the cloud.
Google Cloud, eh?
Yeah.
Uh,
we have the option of individual and business.
You can use individual. Doesn't matter.
But it says for individual you can't. It says you cannot change the only business account can have multiple users. Aren't we creating users in the cloud?
So use business account.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Lucky, I'm trying to find out the account we are creating now.
It's Google Cloud, sir.
Okay. In AWS?
No, this is a different one from AWS. Google Cloud is just go to cloud.google.com.
Okay.
Mr. Lucky, I have a quick question.
Yes, please. What's the question?
So I just created the dev test account.
Yes.
Should I go ahead and create a 3 other one, or I should move on to the Google one?
Yeah, move on to the Google one first.
Okay,
then later you can do the other ones to make it easy.
Then Dr. Lucky.
I can see what best describes your organization or needs. Which one should we choose? What option?
Anything is fine. Just use anything. And okay. Good question. Anything is fine. It doesn't matter. It's a test account.
I have $300. Who needs a drink?
Yes, you need 300. You have a.
No, I've created the account. They say your free trial includes $300 in credit, like you said, to be spent over 90 days.
So congratulations, you are now in Google Cloud.
Yes,
this
sir.
is what it looks like. It's not rocket science.